proverbial 200 mile an hour, 120 mile an hour game of chess that they're going. He comes on and look down the inside of Simmons. Sussex man passes Surrey man, and indeed nips past Aaron Cook as well. So the KCL car, the number 9, orange and blue, is there. Definitely Ollie Schlupp is fancy for the championship as well.
How many times have we seen this from Ollie Schlupp in that number 9? He's always there and thereabouts. Is he going to go for a move that he was forced into? He was forced into it, Richie. He was forced into the lead, and look at that. But Chris Needham is going to get the switch back. This is not what you wanted side by side down the corridors. They don't want this. They want to just play chess. He's going to have to lift out of it. Oh, that's a brilliant move. But look at that. Tyler Reid keeps his nose in, and now we're getting down to the business end of this race.
We are indeed. This is, I mean, you just can't call this. It is very, very definitely like a lottery. I mean, they have a lottery to get their grid positions in this racing. I apologise to the guys at the back, but this is absolutely frantic up front. We haven't managed to have a chat or look at a feature of the guys at the back of the grid, but that will maybe come a little bit later on. We'll see.
Did you see that going uphill then? So the 13 of Needham looked like he missed a gear or something. There was a big bump draft, and it was kind of by accident. Everybody checked up because it wasn't the closing speed they were thinking it was going to be. So I don't know if Needham just lost a little bit of power or missed gear, but you can see that chain reaction as Schlupp gets into him. I've got Schlupp for the win. His car looks mega.
None of them want the lead at the moment, do they? I mean, Needham's kind of got forced into it by Tyler Reid, and I was going to ask them whether you do see it on a track like this, just hand it back. It's much closer racing than we had at Silverstone. There were some good grid battles going at Silverstone, but the whole field very close indeed. 57 in the mix there. The white, orange car you see is Mark Ridout. We're actually on the last lap here now. Oh, Ollie Schlupp, no, poor old Ollie. When's he going to have some luck?
I think he must have heard me when I said I've got him for the win. This is the battle now, because I believe this is the last lap, Richie.
Yeah, this is an 8-lap heat. This is 7 laps completed. Here we go then. So it's Chris Needham there, Tyler Reid. Look at Aaron Cook as well. Could come from any of the top 4, maybe top 5, because Simmons is in that shout as well. A bit further back, 5th place at the moment. But away we go up through Schwann's curve, and Needham again. There's just, I'm sure he didn't want the lead this early.
He wouldn't have wanted it, but remember what we've seen already. We've seen Cook take 2 people for the lead. Is that what it's going to be? But look at this trail we've got for the lead as they come out of the second to last corner. Oh, they're all into each other now. This is like a proper Legends race. Who's it going to be?
And now we've got Marcus Peck join the top group as well. Peck goes to the outside, flicks to the inside. Ross Marshall in 3 is in the mix as well. Needham's lost out, and it's Tyler Reid who's going to come into the chicane in the lead with Aaron Cook in P2. And it's Needham in 3rd place. It's going to be close as they come down towards the checkered flag. Side by side. Look at that. 3 cars side by side. It's Aaron Cook who gets the first driver to get a 4th win of the season. This lap at the race, Paul, we've got to watch him in the 3rd race. Here's a replay.
Top man, look at that. Tyler Reid in the number 1, but Cook comes to the outside, and it must be nothing in this. It's got to be a couple of hundreds, and look at that. That's a proper Legends race. That's like the entry race course. Love it, brilliant.
I tell you what, as I said, this guy has really jumped. I mean, drivers get good at Legends, but he's just been good from the get-go. And yeah, great character. Former MR2 Toyota champion, which is totally different. And he's just come in, and I know people have been sort of saying he's going to be a contender for the championship. Wouldn't surprise me if he goes away with the championship lead this weekend. But obviously, great to see him and Tyler Reid and Chris Needham and all that lot having a good battle. Here's how they finished.